Hey, greetings and welcome back to the channel. And today we're doing a little bit of DSA. So basically, what we have to do is that we have to recreate an object based on the chunk information, right? So the keys and the values are coming in as zip, right? So we're at the point where we have to recreate the object. We're kind of using this as reference. We see that if we get a key, it should be a dict, and then if we get an number, it should be a list. Right, we're doing this in Python. So as we're kind of going through this DSA, let's see how the logic works. So far I'm up to the point where I need the information about the parent property to know whether this should whether what this should contain, right? So I'm started at the root. So the root is so is going to be so this is going to be my key. So if that child is digit, then basically what I want to try to do, and I feel like I'm going down a bit too much. I feel like I can do it when I want, but yeah, as you go along, we kind of see the logic here. So ODJ, and then I got to know the value for the child. So I quite can't just go down there like that, right? So I set it to object. So I'm not going to set the child because I can't set keys in dictionaries. If there's a key, there must be a value, right? So let's say else. That means the child is a digit. That means the child is array. Measure compare it equals array, right? So now, so there's that, and then I gotta try to pass in the value, right? So basically, there shouldn't be nothing I should do here, right? I would just say assign value at path obj parent, right? So the path would be join, right? I believe it would be keys from one to the end, or from one to the end, because now I want to do with the next section. So these sections 46. Right, good. And then I'll just pass in the value. Right, good. So now I gotta find out what to do if if this thing's a digit. Say LF parents. Or say is digit, then what we gotta do is we gotta find, so basically if the parent is the digit, then I'm kind of expecting this object to be an array of sorts. Right? So basically I'm at the point where it's 56 at 0. So I say if. So you're gonna do like a try catch. Target equals object, right? Which I'm expecting it to be an array. At index parent, catch. So target equals done. I say accept. Index error. Target equals none. And now if target equals none, then I'm going to get interested in the child, right? Yeah, it'll be the child. If so, I'll basically grab this logic right here. If not, the child is a digit. That object at parent. Yeah, I think it's going to be the same logic. It's going to be right. So there's that, and I think the last lot, and then I want to try to call this again. I think I might be doing something wrong because I'm not really considering arrays, but right, but you know that's kind of the logic there. This could be its own method, and now child equals none, then we have to assign the value, right? So this should always be available. And then, you know, obviously there's some inconsiderations I'm having here, so see if we can try to hammer that out. And then I should keep calling it. Yeah, I'm gonna ignore it. Yeah, that problem's actually very unique, so that so let's try to see how this goes. So basically by test JSON I should just get everything done. Let's see if we get an error. Yep, kind of figured. So I lied. 83. Basically child is coming up as none. That's not really good. That's not what we want. So let's try to print out the path, the keys here. Try to see what's going on. Or I was kind of interested. Wait, so I think yeah, I think this logic here is that object that parent equals value. Okay, so I think I kind of got it confused, but I got debugging. So I think this is all the same. So let's try to print the parent. Let's try to see what's in there. So I gotta third. So I would say the parent, then hopefully, right? I think this parent needs to be treated as an int. So I gotta try to keep moving up the parent, see where I kind of go wrong. So this logic's working. So now, so I'll try to see the error again. So it's not really obvious, but what it's trying to say is that target's undefined. So I think what I'm kind of doing is that I'm not accounting for whatever the parent might be. Print that out. Yeah, I don't think I'm considering. Line 101. Let's say print parent is 56. Let's see what the value of OBJ is. Right, and I'm not even asking about and parent is a digit. So I think what I need to say is int many types will really get you. So so there's type I kind of need to operate this way, but that's the way the world has to spin. Right. So good. Right. That would be insert. Or yeah, with it that yeah, that it's really tough because I can't tell if this object coming in is an array or a list, right? So if I kind of insert, yeah, I should still get an error of sorts, but okay, we kind of got something back. So that kind of C here, let's try to see B. And look, everything kind of looks intact, right? So yeah, everything kind of looks intact. So maybe this, and I'm not really understanding how it all comes together, but I guess it came together to me for me. So, um, right, everything kind of looks the way it's supposed to look. So I think what I'll do is I'll end the video here. So, that's really the exercise there. A little DSA kind of got lost, but I kind of came out. And then if you wonder what I'm translating to, I'm translating this to Pig Latin. So, thanks for watching, guys. Like, share, subscribe, reach out to us for in the help section.